worship the devil.
Welcome back, Devils. Exit gets, please unbuckle.
All right, Thrill Max, we're here at Busch Gardens Williamsburg. We're going to take a ride on Tempesto, the premier launch coaster. It's the Skyrocket 2, and it is my first Skyrocket 2 I've ever been on.
Now sit back with your back against the seat and your head against the headrest.
Here we go, guys. Whoa, 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 whoa. Whoa, airtime. Whoa. Okay, all right, that was unnatural. Vertical drop. Here we go. Whoa! 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 Oh, that is such an awesome ride, guys. Cool ride. Cool ride.
Back, Daredevils. Yes, please unbuckle and lift up on your comfort collar. Lift the harness and exit quickly but carefully to your right.